After the civilian.
Okay. All right, the people. I'm giving the people what they want. Hi, it is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. How you guys doing? This is Alduin's debut on an official stream. He, just like Maik, he's not the biggest fan of being picked up. That's okay. What, baby? Come on. He's a tiny boy. And he's got his first vet appointment on Sunday. He's got a bit of the sniffles, but, you know, he's eating, drinking, being a little brat. Oh, hi, Serana. And Serana's very jealous. That's why she's on here now. So say hi. They're getting along great. And I'm surrounded by cats. That's my life now. Well, it's been my life. What? You want me to put you down? You mad? Alduin. He's mad. All right, I'll let you go. All right, come on. Anyway. Hi. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I know I haven't been streaming a lot these past. I feel like I barely streamed in the last month and a half. I mean, obviously there's things have happened. I think a part of it is like I feel like I've lost my drive to stream. And what's weird is that I have that loss of drive to stream, but once I'm streaming, I'm doing okay. I'm having fun with it. You know what I mean? It's kind of weird. Maybe I'll get out of this funk. I'm sure I will. So we have a number of sovereign citizens to go over today. However, there's a video that came out, a non-sovereign citizen video that came out yesterday or the day before that I feel like I have to review. I haven't seen it yet. It looks ridiculous. It probably is as ridiculous as it sounds. Shut the hell up, Omega. Who the hell is Zatsu? Anyway. So this guy apparently thinks it's a good idea to stop police officers. I feel like we've seen videos like this before and they never really end. Good. So, word of warning. Thea is stoned. Oh, based. All right. They zooted everybody, as the kids say.
Civilian passes, the officer initiates a traffic stop. The insanity that follows is something the officer could have never expected.
The reason I stopped you is because you were honking at me and following at an unsafe distance?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Okay, do you have your driver's license on you?
I sure don't.
22
Whatever.
Who's that come back to?
You better call your chief right now, you
Whoa.
Very nice.
Okay, we're starting at 100.
Well, I have the right to pull you over. You were on the phone and you were doing something wrong.
So you were trying to pull me over?
Did you not see the lights flashing?
Okay. Sounds good.
Get your chief down here now.
He's not coming.
Yeah,
And you're not free yet. I'm sorry, comm center, can you go ahead?
Your chief is coming down here, whether I got called him or your fat ass is bringing them down here.
And I'm not sure if I asked for another one, but I'll take one. He's refusing to identify himself.
You know, like, the normal thing, if you see an officer, you know, texting while driving or something like that, I think the normal behavior would be to, like, file a complaint saying, hey, on such and such date, I witnessed a patrol car, this number, and the officer who was driving the car was using his phone. I don't know, maybe, but damn.
I'm asking for your supervisor.
Supervisor can come down, but not my chief.
Your supervisor's going to come here.
Okay.
Because you have no business pulling me over.
Okay. But you were trying to pull me over.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I was behind you. Can you determine from your mirrors what's safe? Because this says right here that may appear to be closer than
10-4, do we have any recent contacts with it?
Stand by. Confirming you said one's failing to identify.
10-4, the driver is.
10-4.
Scream for help. Get out of the car and scream for help.
The driver is talking to his own child, who's also in the vehicle.
Sir?
What the hell?
Help.
All right, this got less funny.
He's now got his child stepping out of the car to scream for help.
Help!
Bud, you don't have to do that.
Okay, he's going to do it because you're
Help! 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 Help!
He's actually requesting a supervisor now, if one is available.
It's not your supervisor.
Nope, he's on his way.
Okay.
We could just sit here and wait for him.
Because you were doing something illegal. I wasn't. I was behind you.
Okay.
Honking my horn at you is not illegal. I'm allowed to honk my horn all I want.
Okay. Sounds good.
Help! 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 Help!
Sir, do you want me to explain the law to you? Or do you want my supervisor to?
The law that I was honking my horn at you?
No, that you have to identify yourself.
Only if I had committed a crime, which I have not done.
I told you the reason.
No, that's not
Okay.
a crime. Honking the horn at you is not a crime.
Okay.
You do realize that, right?
You're just
think
getting
the-
yourself more tickets.
What?
I think the basis of the stop was following too closely, which I don't know. I mean, when they're driving, I mean, the eyewitness of the officer could probably make that assessment.
Law is honking the horn at you.
Okay.
What law, you dumb fat is honking the horn
God.
at you?
So the tickets I'm going to give you is for following too closely and unlawful use of horn are the two ones. That's furthering my reason for the ticket. And then if you don't give me your driver's license.
And also, if you honk your horn like that in that kind of manner, I can imagine that being also a citation.
I'm waiting for your supervisor. Once I ask for your
He's coming. I'm
supervisor,
just
you dumb
explaining it.
you're supposed to go wait in your
Okay.
vehicle until he comes.
Okay. I don't have to wait. And I'm not going to. I'm going to wait right here.
Goodness. Nope. Not done yet.
Is it gonna be funny when I tell the judge that I was following behind you honking the horn because you were doing something wrong? And I just had a conversation with the day officer yesterday that says that I have the right to do something.
Oh, I know
What?
who you are.
Yeah, you dumb.
Okay, perfect. I know who he is. I'm gonna go back to my squad real quick and get some tickets.
You can't write me tickets. I asked for your supervisor, you fat man.
I'm recording. So, what's this stop for?
So I was going down Church Street and he was flashing his lights at me, like following like this close. I turned here, he's blaring his horn at me, so I pulled over. He got a hunter me and I pulled him over for following too close and to see if he was in distress. He's failing to identify himself. I just happened to know because Kim had said she dealt with
Yeah, probably disturbing the peace.
somebody who is very uncooperative, and I think it's him. Can I take him to jail for not identifying himself?
We know who he is.
Now, I'm going to give him an obstruction ticket
It's up to you.
and following too close.
Yeah, if you wanted to start working on those, and
Yeah.
we'll get them out of here.
This fat yesterday was on the phone with me yesterday, and that's why she's here now.
Hey, Joe. What's up, man?
Okay, first name basis. Let's go.
I'm the supervisor. You want to talk to somebody?
Yes. Can I get
What's
out
going
for a
on?
second?
Just stay put. I can
That
talk
kinda
to you.
hurt.
Okay.
When I
I was
clapped.
coming off of
I have to remember I'm not fully healed yet with my wrist.
Ellis Street. This dumb came off of fucking Main Street. Had no blinker on when she made the turn. She was as well on her phone. I followed her down the road because I talked to somebody yesterday that made it very clear that if I had a problem with one of the officers, that I can most definitely make a complaint about it.
What did I just say like 5 minutes ago? This is not this is not making a complaint.
Okay.
So I was following her down the road to figure out who she was, and I was flashing my light and honking my horn.
Were
And
you
now she
behind
thinks-
her or in front of her?
I was behind her.
Okay.
And now she thinks she has the right to give me a ticket for honking my horn. I got every right to honk my f***ing horn.
How close were you to her?
I was a car length behind her.
Okay.
She swerved and hit
That could conceivably be too close, depending. I mean, actually, I would say that is pretty close.
the f***ing curb like a dumb bitch with her car over here,
Yeah, so he could go around me.
and I was nowhere close to being by her. Did I drive any closer to anybody else than I do any other day in the world?
Using his kid to back him up. Oh my god. Oh my god, CPS, please.
So, I wasn't here, so I didn't see exactly what happened, but she says you're following too close behind her.
What
She
is
stops
too
you for
close?
that.
No, that's not what she stopped me for.
She literally did.
She
For
said I was
flashing your lights or what?
She said I was honking my horn at her because I was trying to get her to stop. I was not following too closely.
Okay.
Can you guys prove it? What is the law when it follows too closely? What does the mirror say when you read them? What does that say? If you guys are so smart. Objects in mirror appear closer than they
It has
are.
nothing to do with what it says on the
Yeah,
mirror.
it does. It is a
It doesn't.
lawful statement on there.
Why do
It probably is. Like they probably do measure it like in car lengths. Falling too closely. I have to check that up on the Texas statute. I'm not sure.
you always have to be so confrontational when you deal with us?
Because you guys,
Why-
listen,
why?
this is about transparency. I have been being harassed by my neighbors time after time again, and you guys allow it to happen. This called me yesterday harassing me, and then now she's pulling me over because she's breaking the law. And you guys want to write me a ticket because you don't want to sit in front of a judge in front of
For
one of your...
what? Talking on her cell phone?
Is it against the law to be using electronic devices while operating a vehicle? Is it against the law in the state of Wisconsin?
Not to talk on your cell phone like this. No, it is not.
Since when is it not to be on your phone?
In a construction zone, it is. If you're on your phone like this, you can be hands-free in a construction zone, but you can be on your cellular device talking on the phone like this. That is not illegal. Okay?
Oh, all right then.
For us or for anybody driving, unless you're in a construction zone.
That's an odd carve out. I feel like you should that should be universal. You should only be allowed to use the phone with hands-free devices.
Okay? So if she's on her cell phone,
I don't care what
she
you guys
can be
are
on there
doing.
talking.
Anytime you guys are doing something wrong, this is what it's going to be. And if you guys are going to try to pull me over and give me a ticket for doing something wrong, we can take it to court and we can
Well,
make this a
that's
thing
your
with
right.
Madison.
That's your right to take it to court, Joel. Just like you took that disorderly conduct ticket
I know
to
that
court when
but
we.
Thea, I know that's plenty of the state the law in plenty of states. It's here in Texas. That's what I'm saying. I'm surprised that Wisconsin hasn't joined the club. That's what I'm saying.
Dealt with you down at the
This
school.
dumb bitch literally said in front of my kids
It ain't
that
gonna do you any good.
I don't give a dude. What are you gonna do? Not a thing. Because obviously you're letting this fat do what the she wants anyways.
She's just doing her job.
No, she's
if
not.
If you don't agree with it, you can argue.
How
in
is she
court.
doing her
We're not
job?
gonna argue
What
out
is the
here.
law when it comes to traveling too closely in the city? In the
Following
city.
at an unsafe, unreasonable distance
And
where you
what
wouldn't
it
have
is?
time to brake.
Oh, so in that.
Usually, so I figured that was going to be. I figured I take back what I said. Most instances, the law on that's not going to have like a set distance because it's going to be different in different scenarios. It's going to be reasonable. An unreasonable distance. So, and in most times, the citation for following too closely can almost be an automatic if you rear end somebody.
That fat hit the curb back there. I didn't have time to go around her.
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Ask that fat she hit the curb.
I can ask her.
Go ahead.
What difference is it going to make?
Because that proves that I wasn't close enough to hit her. Because when she hit the curb, then I would have hit her, wouldn't you not?
What?
Fight in court, Joe. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you all day. Okay?
Oh yeah, because you're
So-
a dumb, fat, worthless piece of shit.
Hang tight until she's done, and then you're free to go after that.
Give me no tickets to the window.
Well, we're going to give them to you, so. Yeah, I can't hear you either, bud.
Dumb piece of shit.
If you know what's good for you, you'll stay in your car and wait till we're done.
Did I break the law?
Not a good idea.
Okay? So stay put. Don't make this any worse than it has to be, Joel.
What are you gonna do about it?
Stop.
I dare any one of you dumb to try to put your hands on me.
Just stop. We don't want to have to.
No, you
Challenges cop.
started this. You're allowing your
I didn't
officer.
start anything.
No, I was behind your fat officer.
If you be quiet and give us a minute, we'll be done here.
No, there's no minute, you dumb.
Well, whatever, Joel. Obviously, we're not going to come to any sort of agreement here. So,
Write me another ticket for this horn?
yeah, if you continue to do it.
Why don't we just take it to DC at this point?
What's that?
Take him to jail for DC.
Okay.
Stop, Joel.
Me to unlock the car, or I will smash that window open.
Do it.
For what?
Get out.
For what?
Step out, Joel.
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct?
There it is.
Was going to be a ticket, but now it's not.
Joel, you make this stuff worse, dude, by the way
Dude,
you
you guys
act.
did this. This fat called me yesterday.
Just
Give me a
stop.
call.
Joel, knock it off.
She got me by the throat.
On me.
She's got me by the throat. Stop. She's got me by the throat.
Wait, did she actually try to spit on him?
She got me by the yesterday.
Just
Give me a
stop.
call.
Joel, knock it off.
She got me by the throat.
On me.
She's got me by the throat. Stop. She's got me by the throat.
Come
She's
on.
got me by the throat.
Nobody's.
Joel.
She's got me by the throat. She's got
She's got you by the collar of your shirt on your shoulder.
me by the throat.
Stop.
She's got me by the throat.
Okay.
Dude, you're on a camera.
Okay, now she's got him by. Now she's got her other hand on his neck. Yes, now.
She's got me by the throat.
Joel, nobody's got you by the throat.
She's got me by the throat.
Joel, you need to.
Dude, you guys are
listen.
doing this over nothing.
Now, well, actually, no. I take that back. It's like the back of his jacket.
We're going to do another search.
Dude, you're
Let
letting
them
them
finish searching
over
you.
pushing their boundaries.
No, I'm not.
For what?
You're the one
What?
that's being the jerk out here.
Why?
We're not doing anything.
How am I
here.
being a jerk?
Because the way you're acting.
Dude, I just got pulled over for nothing.
It's not for nothing, Joel. She explained to you why she pulled you over. You just don't agree with it. That's the problem.
Is that side good?
So is it this going to be lawful by a judge that you guys are arresting somebody for
You'll have your
honking
day in
their
court.
horn?
You'll have your day in court.
All right, let's go.
Wait until I find where you are. Push me again.
Knock it off. Come on, Joel. Knock it off, dude. You're
Well, she's f***ing pushing me, dude.
So I don't know. Take this with a grain of salt. This is from the YouTube comments, so You don't know. But according to somebody in the comments, apparently this guy has had over 51 cases in Wisconsin. That's not surprising. If it's true.
You don't gotta push us back.
I f***ing stripped on my foot.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You're lying.
Stop f***ing me.
Battery to law
Ran it.
enforcement too.
No, stop f***ing hit me.
Joel, get in the
They're
car.
punching me.
No, we're not. Sit down. Get your feet in now.
Feet in.
Stop.
Put your feet in.
Joel.
There's my throat.
We're just trying to get you in the car.
Nope, that's on camera.
It is.
That was my throat, you dumb.
Get in. Put your feet in, Joel.
No.
No.
Stop, dude.
Then put your feet in.
Stop.
We don't want to have to pull you
Dude,
in.
you guys are harassing me.
Joel, slide in your feet, please.
Dude, I will headbutt you.
Do it. See what happens.
Run, dude.
You want me to save him?
You're about to get tased, dude.
Dude, I'm gonna. I want my kid.
Please no.
Jesus Christ.
Roll my window down so I tell my kid to stop. I'm trying to tell my kid to stop. Roll my window down.
No.
I'm going to tell him to stop. You heard him.
Oh my god.
He has disabilities. Stop. I'm going to
Oh my god.
sue you.
And this is how you're acting? If your kid is actually disabled and this is how you're acting, you're making it so much better with your attitude and the way you conduct yourself, asshole.
He's suing you, you stupid.
En route to the jail.
You think the judge is going to be very happy this all started over a honking my horn?
I don't
You
know.
think my lawyer is going to be happy with that?
I
Because I can tell you right now, it's not.
don't know. Okay.
An officer remained with Joe's child until his grandmother arrived to pick him and the vehicle up. Joe was charged with resisting obstructing an officer, disorderly conduct, and battery to a law enforcement officer. While the suspect never sued over this matter,
Let me guess. Dave Hansen, I have never heard of that. You'll have to link me that. Let me guess. He got like $500 fine for all the charges.
as promised, court records indicate the suspect has been repeatedly sued in court for injunctions against abusive conduct, failing to pay rent,
Jesus.
repeated issues of failing to pay child support, disputes
Okay, so maybe the commentator is correct.
over child paternity, failing to pay rent, and civil evictions. In both 2023 and 2024, the suspect was prohibited against engaging in conduct or contact with certain victims he had previously targeted. The suspect also has an extensive criminal
Oh my, yeah, the commentator was not joking, or not messing around. Holy hell. Okay.
history, listing dozens of suspected misdemeanor and felony charges. In the incident presented in the body cam, the suspect ultimately pleaded guilty to resisting or obstructing an officer twice. The matter was fully adjudicated last month, and he was sentenced to 12 months of probation, required to write a letter.
For a guy with this long of a rap sheet, you have to... What the hell? Thank you for the 56 months.
Letter of apology, attend anger management, and work to obtain full-time employment.
In a society obsessed with standing up for yourself, why do so many people confuse self-advocacy?
Time employment.
Oh, he also had to, what was it? Write an apology letter to the officer.
To write a letter of apology, attend anger management, and work to obtain full-time employment.
In a society obsessed with standing up for yourself,
John.
why do so many people confuse self-advocacy with public tantrums? And then this guy actually goes and uses his own child to instigate an already bad police interaction. Some people don't wake up wanting peace. They actually wake up looking for conflict, like it's oxygen and they're running out. And when you've been
Yeah, woke up choosing violence.
Cop long enough, you recognize before they even speak a word because it's all in the eyes. What hit hardest wasn't the insults. Officers get called every name in the book, and some no one's even heard yet. What hit hardest was a child because there's a special kind of heartbreak watching a child get taught that fear is a tool and disrespect is a strategy. Now, in my opinion, kids don't learn by lectures, they absorb behavior. And when a child watches their own father turn a traffic stop into a street corner performance, they don't see strength. They see and quickly learn instability, and they carry it into their lives, and it just continues on. Cops never get to wait for harm to happen. If someone's ignoring lawful orders and flinging unstable emotion anywhere it'll stick, that's when intervention becomes duty. Now, I don't believe this guy even learned a lesson, but loud never equals right and crazy never equals courage. And in this world, staying level-headed keeps you free, losing control gets you handcuffed, a record, and a judge deciding your future. Because loudmouths never win, they just fast forward their downfall.
Hey, what's going on?
All right. Back to the sovereign citizen. Pug sees dumb people in the videos. Influencer J-Base insane arrest. Interesting. We might have to watch it after the lineup here. So this is a how-to with the LA County Sheriff's Department on how to deal with sovereign citizens. Let's watch.
I'm Deputy Thomas, and this is Law Enforcement Explains. If this is your first time visiting the channel and you want to learn anything law enforcement related, hit that red subscribe button. Also hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video.
I'm just asking you for your license, your registration, and proof of insurance.
And I just would like to know what crime am I under suspicion of? Is all I want to know.
You're not under any crime of suspicion. Your registration
am I being detained?
You sure are.
For what crime am I being detained for, sir?
Your registration's overdue. So you have your license on you?
So if my registration is overdue and and my car is currently not even in motion of moving, you're saying I'm
Arian Rod, think of it 54 months.
I watched you pull in. I pulled in with you.
How did you pull in with me? I've been sitting here
Or you can give me your license.
I've been here since before 5 o'clock, sir, waiting on this lady.
You can give me your license and we can do this the easy way, or you can continue with this. It doesn't bother me that you're filming.
That's fine. That's fine. Can you please back away? I'm under arrest. You're scaring me with your weapons. You have your partner here. This is unbelievable. I'm being harassed and I haven't committed a crime.
You're not being harassed.
Sir, I haven't committed a crime.
So I'm asking you
I haven't committed a crime. That's not a crime that my registration's overdue.
It actually is.
It's not unlawful.
California Vehicle Code.
And that's not a violation of Title 18 USC's subsection.
I don't know what you're talking about, Title 18 USC. License, I'm going to ask you one more time and then I'm going to arrest you for obstruction.
Nothing to do with Title 18, obviously. Shelly, thank you for the 20 months. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, for one, you got to give me an opportunity to even look.
They said 20 months. $20.
And I'm actually, respectfully, can you take one step back so I could begin to look?
No, sir. No,
I'm
sir.
grabbing my stuff.
Okay.
Please. Good grief.
He's citing Title 18 is the federal criminal law. That's what Title 18 is.
And you can. This is unbelievable. I'm being harassed. You don't. I'm literally being harassed here. I haven't committed a crime. I'm not under suspicion of any crime. I haven't committed any crime.
Sir, I told you why.
A vehicle code is a like you say, it's a code. It's not or a statute. It's not law. It's not. I didn't commit any crime. I'm sitting in my private contravans, minding my own business, waiting for a store so I can get my coffee and be on my way, and you're literally over here trying to accuse me of breaking a vehicle code or vehicle violation, and my car's not even in motion. I'm not moving. I'm minding my business in front of a Circle K store.
So what I'm going to assume is that the cop probably ran your tag while he was here, and then caught that your registration was expired. That's what I'm going to speculate. That's what initiated the stop. He randomly ran your tag, saw you had a expired registration, and that initiated the stop. Even though you were already stopped.
Minding my business. What is your name, sir? Match what your name is?
Why does he have a different color uniform?
G-I-L-E.
Hi, Kyle.
Yes, sir. You want to hand me your license? Because
I'm trying to.
You're delaying me right now, and it's.
I'm not delaying anything. Yeah. I'm gonna give you this under arrest. Please.
So do you have a license?
I have a right to travel, and I have.
Do you have a license? Yes or no?
I do have a right to travel from the Department of Motor Vehicles via way of new motor vehicles board, sir.
Do you have a license? Yes or no?
I have a permit to travel, sir.
You can look it up if you like.
Do you have a license?
I have a permit to travel, sir.
Do you have your license, yes or no?
License to do what?
To drive.
I have a license to travel and I have a permit. It's in lawful documentation. It's already been registered from the Department of Motor Vehicles. And I have noticed through
Do you have a DMV license, yes or no?
Sir, if you look it up, it will show you that.
Where is it? This
Lane,
isn't your license.
That is my veteran's ID, sir.
Okay.
And that has all the information. You can look my information. It's going to show you that I'm valid. I'm lawful.
Then why don't you have your license with you?
Sir. I have a.
Those aren't difficult questions, sir.
Here's the issue that I'm having though. Here's the issue that I'm having. And all due respect, Deputy Gal, what I'm trying to get clarification on, sir, is I didn't give you jurisdiction to even come over here and make contact with me because there was for one, there's no injured party. There's no crime
you're
being committed.
nonsensical.
There's
right
no
now.
crime being committed, sir.
You violated the vehicle code.
How did I violate a vehicle code sitting in my car?
Do you have a license?
The car is not in motion.
Do you have a license?
I have a lawful permit to travel, and the Department of Motor Vehicles.
Do you have a license? Yes or no?
If you look it up, it'll show you. The Department of Motor Vehicles has been notified, sir.
What's your date of birth? So
I'm going to give you all this information under duress, sir, because I haven't committed any crime.
Great, it's under duress. What's your date of birth?
March 9th, sir, 1980. I haven't committed any crime. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm waiting to get coffee. Waiting for the store to open to get coffee. This is unbelievable.
I agree. You being like this, being ridiculous is unbelievable.
No, I haven't done anything wrong. I'm minding my business.
I told you why. You violated the valid.
I didn't violate any crime. I didn't commit any crime. I didn't violate any code. No, I did not, sir.
You're being ridiculous.
No, I'm not. May I please step out of my car?
No, just stay right there. We're not done.
Yeah, they're getting along.
There.
I would like to step out of my car.
No, stay right there.
I'll sit right here, sir.
You're safe in your car. Just stay right
I know
there.
I'm safe in my car, but I don't feel comfortable. Can you call your watch commander while you're at it, please?
No.
I want your watch commander out here.
No.
Deputy Guy, I'm requesting to have your watch commander come out here, please. Because you're violating my constitutional rights. No. I didn't commit a crime, so you shouldn't be running me. You're probing me for a crime. I haven't committed any crime, sir. I haven't committed any crime, sir. You're violating my constitutional rights.
Mr. Bass.
Yes, sir.
Your license is expired.
I don't.
Stop and listen.
Yes, sir.
Just stop being ridiculous, okay? I get your whole act.
It's not an act.
It is.
It's my right.
It is.
It's a right. It's not an act.
Stop and listen.
Deputy, I didn't commit a crime, sir.
You did. You're violating the vehicle code. I already told you
Sitting in my car is not a violation, sir. It's not a violation of a crime. Okay. There's no injured party. I didn't do anything wrong.
You're being ridiculous, okay?
Go ahead. I'm going to let you. Go ahead. I'm going to hear you out.
So what you need to do, it's just expired, is you need to go down to DMV on Monday and get your license reissued, okay? So you have a valid license.
But I have something literally from the Department of Motor Vehicles to the new Motor Vehicles Board. It does not. It don't say it in the computer.
You don't.
It doesn't say it in the computer.
You don't. It says your license is expired.
Serrano's here on the
not a big deal. Also, a violation of the California Vehicle Code. Your license being expired is $12,500.
Do I have to?
Stop and listen.
Okay, all right.
I'm just trying to tell you how to fix it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so get your registration so it's current. Okay, on your vehicle, because your registration's late.
He's not going to let him go without a ticket, is he?
Which is a violation of the vehicle code. That's what got my attention. Your license is expired. That is also a violation of the vehicle code. All right? And even though you've been ridiculous this entire time and made this more difficult than it ever needed to be, I'm still going to let you go with just a warning. Monday.
Grade F. Fail. No, this is not how you deal with sovereign citizens. Absolutely not.
Go down and get your license squared away. Okay?
Have a blessed day, sir.
You too. I would expect better from a veteran.
Come on.
I appreciate your service.
Come on now. I serve this country with honor. You know what I mean?
Then act like it.
I am. I'm advocating for my rights right now.
I get that, but here's my thing. No. All of this
just
is
just waiting for some coffee.
And I want you to get your coffee. I want you to have a better day. But you're working yourself up for nothing.
You know why though? I see that. I see a flashlight. Immediate under duress. I'm paranoid. I didn't do anything. You know what I mean?
You're not under duress. I'm like the most laid back cop on the planet.
I wouldn't know that until I talk to you. Normally your partner's coming over here ready to jam me up.
But just be polite, and we're gonna be polite back. So get your registration fixed. Okay? Get your license. It's just expired. So all you gotta do is go down there and renew it. All right?
Have a blessed day, sir. Thank you.
You too. Have a good day.
This is a fail. This is a fail. An absolute fail. You are giving him a win. you're giving him a W. The way he acted like that, if he gave him the ticket, I still probably would have given him a C+. But no, this is absolutely not the way you act with a sovereign citizen. You be direct, you be professional, you ask him, what, baby? If he's going to provide us information. If not, either cite him or arrest him, whatever is appropriate in the context. You do not let him go like this. Yeah, this is disappointing. Okay. All right, this is a news report out of Australia.
Explain as simply as you can what sovereign citizens and pseudo-law actually are.
All right.
Yeah, so the language of sovereign citizen came from the United States, and it really is, the origins are far-right militia movements, Christian identity groups, anti-Semitic, white supremacist organisations. It had migrated across the world from the global financial crisis through to the COVID pandemic, and now in Australia we have...
It's a lot older than that. Wait, did he say it went international as of
this ideology, global financial crisis organizations. It had migrated across the world from the global financial crisis.
Oh, okay. So yeah. Sovereign citizen movement is absolutely older than that, but he's saying it probably exploded outside of the U.S. from the global financial crisis.
Through the COVID pandemic. And now in Australia, we have this...
And then, it also exploded even more so from COVID.
Ideology of pseudo-law, I suppose. That's a broader term for sovereign citizens. They're one subset within that larger group. Essentially, it's a group of people who say, I can pick and choose what laws apply to me. If I don't consent to a law passed by Parliament or a decision handed down by a judge, I don't need to follow it.
What kind of impact do they have on our system? Obviously, we're all obliged to respond to police if we're asked, within obviously the boundaries of the law, the court system. What happens?
Significant impact. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, we've seen a sharp rise in the number of people who say the law doesn't apply to me, I can do what I want to do. And talking to judges, magistrates, court officers around the country, they say that one or two of these people can ruin the day. It can just spread everything out. It takes much longer to do everything else, but there's been a huge rise. It's not only courts, it's people in councils, local government, ombudsmen, taxation officers, the birth, deaths, marriages registry, anywhere where the state intersects with citizens, they've seen a sharp rise in the number of people who say, I don't want to follow this law. And just the impact, I suppose, is huge.
So how can we quantify just how big or significant it is?
It's really hard to do so. There's no clear number about the people who say whether they're a sovereign citizen or not. The language of sovereign citizen is disputed by many of these people because they say that it's a pejorative term and they don't want to be associated with it, because obviously the rest of us in society think these people are a bit silly and worse. And so they don't like that name. And so I guess pseudo-law is a broader term. But certainly data from police that I've seen, it suggests that there are a number of Australians, quite a few, who subscribe to this ideology or similar ideologies.
So how can we tackle it? Obviously, it's a form of radicalisation. There is obviously a case that's unfolding right now in Victoria, a manhunt which has made us all really focus on its potential dangers. Do you think there needs to be...
Oh, this is in relation to that incident where the man shot those two officers, or killed those two officers.
Better policing when it comes to this? What do we need to do to tackle
it? Yeah, it's important to remember these aren't homogenous people, right? You've got some people who are true believers who may really fully ascribe to the ideology and live outside societal norms, perhaps like the individual in this case. You also have people who may be going through a particular personal crisis. Perhaps they've lost their job and they fear they're going to lose their home. They look online and they find some information.
Explain as simply as you can.
Oh my God, no! Sarana! She reset the video. Oh no.
So How can we tackle its potential dangers? Do you think
societal norms, perhaps like the individual in this case? You also have people who may be going through a particular personal crisis. Perhaps they've lost their job and they fear they're going to lose their home. They look online and they find some information that suggests if you use this one simple trick, you can avoid having to lose your house, you can avoid having to pay road vehicle registration fees. And for whatever reason, they try it. They get sucked into that rabbit hole. I think the focus that we should have at the moment of responding to this are the people who make money out of it.
I feel like people are taking my notes. I thought up my 3 separate categories of sovereign citizens. I like to believe I thought it up myself. You got the true believers, you got the marks, the people who don't believe but they buy this thinking it's going to help them out, and then you got the grifters, the people who just sell the shit. I feel like somebody's taking my notes.
So people who sell pseudo-legal schemes and sell sovereign citizen ideas online, in communities and online, they're making substantial money, substantial funds, and we should target them.
And is it inherently dangerous, this movement, because of the current story we've been covering, which is still unfolding and incredibly dangerous for the people in Port Punker? There is a view that this is quite dangerous. Is that always the case?
So it's not always the case. Again, we can't be too I can't be too specific here. It's not always the case, but I do believe the ideology has an inherent risk of violence. It positions someone that says, I am the true upholder of the law. The law at one stage was.
Yeah, so I would agree with that. Generally, for a lot of they don't go like fully violent. They just do the paper terrorism. They just flood people with paperwork, liens, that sort of thing. But I think it's inherent that if they keep on going down this road of I do not have to do anything that the government tells me, and I'm going to defend my rights, then if they keep on getting radicalized, then the likelihood of getting more violent obviously increases.
Good and just, it was corrupted, and now tyrannical state forces are coming here and destroying my individual liberty. So they position themselves essentially as martyrs against a larger state authority. And so I think at times when there's the risk of confrontation, they may, in what they see as self-defense in responding to a lawful issuing of a warrant by a police officer, they may respond in violent ways. That's certainly been the case in the United States.
And does there need to be better civic education for people to kind of ward off this growth of this movement?
So I should say as well, the sovereign citizen arguments and the civil law arguments never work. They've never succeeded in any court decision in Australia or anywhere around the world. So I feel like the growth of it is not so much related to the idea that this will succeed in a battle against the police or a battle against a judge. The reason why I think why people are attracted to this ideology is an attempt to reclaim control and authority and power. And so in moments where crisis is happening, perhaps the pandemic, perhaps the GFC, this is a way for people.
Or something personal like a divorce, custody battle, a foreclosure, bankruptcy. There's a lot of things that can trigger this path.
Want to take back control. So I think legal education is important, but I think it's also about building communities, being empathetic, trying to support each other when we're going through difficult moments. Of course, you need to be careful if someone is violent. You need to be wary about that, obviously. But if someone starts to flirt with this ideology, it's important to try and reach out and support them and pull them back into some sort of rational thought.
Yeah, we've had a lot of politicians who've been talking about this today, as we've all asked them. It's pretty disturbing for those of us watching on, especially the violent nature of this particular case, of course. In terms of why we've seen the growth, you've talked about, the US, the way that this has evolved in Australia. How pivotal was COVID? Because everyone keeps mentioning COVID as a sort of inflection point in this.
I would say COVID, one of the worst things that COVID did is that it really pushed a lot of people into conspiracy bullshit. Whether it be sovereign citizens, whether they went full anti-vax, the Jews, COVID really set people off on those paths because it was such a wide and wild disruption of everyday life.
this march towards this growing movement. Do you think it was pivotal here?
Absolutely was pivotal. Yeah, COVID was a big marker, I suppose, in the number of people who subscribe to this ideology or act on these beliefs. A sharp rise in the number of people who follow pseudo-law ideology. We all expected that it might dissipate after the pandemic has receded in view, but it appears that it hasn't. And talking to judicial officers around the country, like I have been doing as part of my research, they say that numbers have not reduced. They remain at elevated levels from pre-COVID. So this is something that is an enduring feature of our society, unfortunately, at this stage.
Dr. Hobbs, thank you for joining us.
Thanks so much.
Oh, so this is from the house of the fugitive. I think I've missed covering this, where they found
not a fit and proper person
to be over 100 firearms.
Seizing firearms and cancelling gun licences.
The firearms will be coming with us today, so will the compound bow.
WA police are cracking down on people who identify as sovereign citizens. They don't believe in the legitimacy of government and its laws.
How on earth can the state of Western Australia entrust those people with the responsibilities for being a lawful gun owner?
Last week, police searched 70 properties throughout the state. They seized 135 firearms and cancelled or suspended 44 gun licences, sending a clear message that no one is above the law.
If you have made it very clear that you do not abide by the laws of Western Australia set by the Parliament, then there is no way that you can be a fit and proper person to hold a firearm in Western Australia.
The operation was sparked by the fatal shooting of 2 police officers in the Victorian town of Paulpunka in August. The alleged shooter, a self-identified sovereign citizen.
We have seen some very tragic and serious incidents in other states. We want to keep Western Australians safe. We want to keep our police officers safe.
Police have identified around 1,000 sovereign citizens in WA.
Not every sovereign citizen is a risk, but some are, and that is a risk we cannot take.
Gun owners who've had their licences suspended will be subjected to a fitness to hold test. Lily Cristanto, ABC News.
All right, this is going to be the link for the court hearing that I haven't seen yet. Oh, this guy. Yeah, he had to resign. Idiot.
All right. Good morning. We're going to go through the docket as quickly as we can so that we can start on the jail docket. 2021 CR 19158, State versus Matthew Aldridge. Are you Matthew Aldridge? Are you Matthew Aldridge?
I'm the attorney of fact for Matthew Aldridge.
You were what?
Hey, Tones.
Attorney what?
Fact.
Attorney of fact. And what does that mean?
His authorization to do legal work.
Are you a licensed attorney?
No, I'm simply an attorney of fact.
Okay. And does that mean you have a power of attorney? What is your name? What is your name?
My name?
Yes, sir.
I don't have.
You don't have a name? Pardon?
I'm the attorney of fact for the respondent area.
Well, let me explain to you. Only an attorney at law can stand in court and represent a criminal defendant. And to do so otherwise violates the criminal law statutes of the state of Tennessee and could land someone who attempts to represent themselves as an attorney at law in serious trouble. I understand what you're saying. I understand you're saying an attorney in fact. And what I want you to understand is that if you have a power of attorney, then you need to demonstrate that power of attorney. Do you have a legal document called a power of attorney?
No, I do not at this time.
Okay. Then you don't have any authority to act on behalf of Matthew Aldridge in this court. You have no legal authority, nor do you have any authority through a legal document to represent or to act on behalf of Matthew Aldridge.
Why don't we court just let me file this document?
Show it to the bailiff and he'll show it to me. Oh,
I think we have seen this one before.
All right. This is in the state of Tennessee of Cheatham County and Chancery Court, which is filed in the wrong county because in the wrong court, because this is circuit court. You just be quiet.
You go to the courthouse, it comes up.
You need to listen to me instead of talking, okay? This is a challenge to the standing. The Supreme Court of the United States has stated that no corporation has standing anything to man.
What?
And then there's a quotation for Rundle versus Delaware Raritan.
No, I'm willing to bet that law just simply states that that a corporation cannot represent itself. A corporation has to have a representative, i.e., a lawyer, an attorney, has to be represented by an attorney. It cannot represent itself. And then you have to have somebody as acting as the agent of the corporation to be the human body in taking place of the corporation.
And Canal Company. And then it said, as well as it being a maximum of law, citing certain Latin phrases, dissimilar things ought not to be joined by a definition of Black's Law Dictionary. So the respondent in error requires that the state of Tennessee Incorporated and Cheatham County Chancery Court prove their standing to proceed against a man in any court of law. You have 15 calendar days to prove your standing or forever yield to estoppel, waiver, and fraud, and cease and desist this proceeding immediately. More time is available if requested. And then this was signed by Matthew O'Neill Aldridge. Is that your signature?
That's the respondent in error signature.
All right. Well, I find that Matthew Neil Aldridge has failed to appear in personally in this court for the plea day on his case, which is set for trial tomorrow. And as a result, you have no standing, sir, under what I know what you're trying to do is to try to use the sovereign citizen approach to this situation.
Yeah.
And I'm simply telling you that you do not have the right to represent Matthew Neil Aldridge. If you are, in fact, Matthew Neil Aldridge, then you need to say so and stop this nonsense, because that what you're attempting to do has no legal effect. You cannot challenge the criminal law or the jurisdiction of this court by simply filing some legal mumbo jumbo having to do with civil litigation. That has civil litigation in it. It is not a criminal case that you have cited. So it has no effect on this court regarding the criminal statutes of this court. This court is empowered under the Constitution of the United States of America and the Constitution of the state of Tennessee, and by the duly elected citizens of Cheatham County to empower and enforce the laws of the state of Tennessee. And that is what I'm going to do regarding Matthew Lynn Aldridge. Mr. Aldridge is set for today to appear in court personally on what we call our last plea day before his trial date tomorrow.
Is that an Article 3 trial?
He just asked if it's an Article 3 trial.
What?
Would that be an Article 3 trial? A trial by jury with jury?
It would be a trial by jury. Certainly, it would be. But I don't know who you are. And I don't think you have any authority if you are not Matthew Lynn Aldridge to appear before this court. And you're wasting valuable time that all of these other citizens who are here today. So when I'm talking, you stop talking. No, you will when I'm finished talking. You are wasting the court's time by doing this, and I'm just simply instructing you that if you are, in fact, Matthew Lynn Aldridge, then this is your last day to settle your case. The trial date is set for tomorrow, and unfortunately, it will not go forward because of the fact that I have a conflict and I have to be in Stewart County on a civil matter. So we're going to assign a new trial date for Matthew Lynn Aldridge. Now, is there a problem with the jury warning? I'm going to put a notice up there for tonight. If we don't need you tomorrow, but we need you on February the 6th.
What?
July term. General, we're going to need to set a trial date in July term.
July 15th.
I'm sorry.
July 15th.
July 15th. All right. To Matthew Aldridge and the individual standing before me, whose name must not be uttered, then we will set a July 15th trial date for Mr. Aldridge. Whatever this document is that you have filed is in fact invalid because it does not cite any valid criminal statute, and therefore I'm denying whatever that might be in the way of a motion. The trial date will be July 15th, the last day for Mr.
In State v. Matthew Aldridge, a man claiming to be attorney in fact appeared without legal authority, missing his sovereign citizen.
To enter a plea.
Shut up.
Or go to trial will be July the 8th. July the 8th. Now, we're going to give you a card. If you are in fact Matthew Aldridge and you're just playing games with the court regarding this nonsense that you filed, then you may get this card and you may go on about your business. If you are not Matthew Aldridge, then I would suggest to you, you relay to Mr. Aldridge that he must appear on July the 8th, or a bond revocation will take place, and his case will be will take place with him in jail, incarcerated on the 15th. That's the judgment of the court. You need to take your piece of paper and go on.
All right. Yeah. Not surprised. I think we have seen this before. Judge Wolf does a good job of smacking this guy down, telling him it's all BS. The guy didn't know how to go off script. And yeah, I'm willing to bet he either got his head out of his ass and made a plea deal, or he failed and probably got a guilty verdict at his trial date. And I am also getting tired of this AI slop too. I am going to make a note to my to folks that I refuse to watch any video that is more blatantly obvious that it's AI slop generated by some group in Bangladesh to make a quick buck from YouTube revenue. So just as an FYI, when you're making video suggestions. Now so what were we going to watch about this influencer getting hooked up? What was it named? Jay Bay or something like that? I don't know. It's like some Pug Sees Dumb People channel. Pug Sees. Here it is.
If you clicked on today's video, you want to learn all about...
I'll tell you guys. What?
This channel is all about fat joy.
He's at they mama.
Unapologetic self-love.
Burning fucking hell.
And building a community where everybody belongs.
They're trying to raise me stark.
That is the last thing that we will ever do.
I think that was a pretty unprofessional comment, but that's funny as hell. That's great.
Welcome to J Bay Official, where we're flipping the script on fat phobia and empowering everybody to live boldly. I'm Jay, and I'm here to
get arrested.
I'm not gonna lie. I think during the COVID, during the dark times, I got into a YouTube like rabbit hole on like fat acceptance. Yeah, it took up a lot of hours of my day, and just kind of how ridiculous it was.
Hey everybody, it's Lisa.
Hey.
My pug's Violet. I do have a sponsor for today. Thank you so much to Old Dog 60. And we finally got this video of J-Bay. And if you don't know who she is, she's a fat activist who tried to get free seats on airplanes for fat people. If you are not aware,
I think I remember her.
Here's a little clip of what she posts online.
People ask me if I purchase seats when flying.
I think she was in some of these compilations.
The fact of the matter is that people can't stand to see fat people happy. So why should we care what they think?
So there's a little example of what she is like. The man in this picture is her boyfriend that she kept accusing that he was beating her up, I guess. And from what I've seen in the videos with him, he's the same size as her. He just seems like the sweetest, nicest guy. I don't believe anything she's ever said about him. And it turns out that she got arrested for this because she attacked him. There's so much to it that I'm going to have to make another video next to go through all the story. It's
quality and representation.
Unbelievable. So I hope you're ready, and you can thank me later.
So what's your plan to get out of Tri-Cities?
I don't know. I was going to wait for SARC, but they told me they can't. They would need to get me to one of the places they gave me. I have an evidence bag.
Okay.
They went through my evidence bags thinking they could find my laptop and my phone, which were supposed to be with Jerome. Probably in prison now.
Okay.
I haven't watched a single bit of social media news since the 23rd. I don't know, since my phone and all that shit started going wonky. So I was trying to go to the police station so I could tell people like this what Cara and all these fake actors are doing and how the hospitals do what they do. And I thought they were literally treating me as a patient, but I'm tired. I haven't slept in literally 20 days, which doesn't even sound humanly possible.
Okay.
Yeah, that's because it isn't.
Unfortunately, I was trying to pray for these people because I thought they were legit patients, and I thought I ruined their reputation or something because I kept hearing Jalen on the news, Jalen, but I can never see Jalen on the news.
So do you have any family in the area, Jalen?
Yeah, my dad, Jerome.
Your dad? Where does...
7.5.
Okay.
I couldn't tell what was real and what was fake
Would you
anymore.
want Dad to come and pick you up?
I sure the
Okay.
would.
Do you have a phone number for Dad?
He has my phone, so if you call it, it should work.
Okay. Oh, so what's your phone
Now it's
number?
all coming to me.
Okay. What's your phone number?
My phone number is 564. Wait, no, I need a mental eval. 653.
653?
What? What? Bro, why didn't you redact that? Oh my god.
The other ones are okay.
Thank God they didn't get the full number.
So
What the
we're
hell?
just dealing with her. Did we get a hold of, happen to get a hold of Dad?
Dad will not come. She burned her bridges.
Oh, okay.
She said that he tried to help her out, try to contact Crisis as well.
She's saying something about SARC. I don't know.
Help her.
Wait, what'd she say?
Okay.
He said,
Dad. Okay, now. So we're just dealing with her. Did we get a hold of, happen to get a hold of Dad?
Dad will not come. She burned her bridges.
Oh, okay.
She said that he tried to help her out, try to contact Crisis as well.
She's saying something about SARC. I don't know what SARC would be doing to help her, but
So she filed an allegation that she was sexually assaulted, but it's I read the report yesterday, and it's unfounded. I mean, she's just going on and on. It got referred to CID, but there's no evidence of anything.
Okay.
So.
No, she can't be serious. Essay on her.
Look, I'm not going to say it can never happen because it absolutely can't happen. But it sounds like has an issue with the truth, so her credibility is going to be in question.
I'm not buying it, sorry. Something that you need to know if you don't know anything about her is she is an attention seeker and a victim all the time. and she lies a lot. She's not mentally ill, but she's trying to pretend she is because she's homeless because her dad kicked her out.
Wow.
Would Dad be?
Dad should know. Dad's bad guy. Dad's bad guy. I tried to call welfare check on him.
Mm-hmm.
I need a mental health eval though, but clearly all the hospitals are now shut down in the Tri-Cities. Is that what I'm getting at? Or they at least have all trespassed me because they've done really bad things to me.
We've got like 2 hospitals here.
Wait. If you've been trespassed by multiple hospitals, I think it might be a you problem.
Two more left?
No, I mean there's Cadillac or Trios. That's one.
Well, I've been trespassed from all of them,
Okay.
but Cadillac, I was actually gonna be safe at. They thought all of a sudden though that I was gonna sue them, and they started acting crazy. I don't know. So I think we should probably go to Dad's house. We should probably go to Dad's house and let me talk to Dad. Cause,
I can give Dad a call and see if he can come swing by and pick you up. Okay.
I guess let's see if he's legit. You know.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'll give your dad a call real quick. Okay. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Yep, no worries. She's willing to have that come with her.
Dad doesn't want to hear her. That's That's right.
Dad won't pick her up because she's been acting like that. Yeah.
Her dad won't come get her. Well, then I guess
he's got a little kid that she has been scared of crap out of him. So.
Is that your guys' wheelchair?
Yes. She has no clothes on, just so you know.
Oh boy.
Did she come in that way?
Mm-hmm.
How'd she get it?
Ambulance.
Say what? I got questions. I had a lot of questions actually. All right, so she just was naked when they put her on the ambulance? Where are her clothes? Why is she naked? Oh, Jesus.
From Cadillac.
Lords.
She's got the Albany Hospital.
She's got her ticket out. She knows exactly what she's doing.
I don't know if you caught what the nurse said, but she said she's got it figured out. She knows exactly what she's doing. See? She's been
nice,
trespassed
John.
from
That'd be awesome.
all the other hospitals. And the other places can't take her because of her size. So she's kind of screwed. She's got nowhere to go.
So they don't want you here, and your dad is not willing to come help you because you burned that bridge. So what are you gonna do?
I got a whole packet of information from SARC when they were doing my rape kit today.
Well, SARC's not available at this
I
time,
know,
so what are you gonna
I can go to
do?
one of the shelters that they listed. I just need a phone because I don't know where mine is. I could tell you everything at the police station.
Well, that report's already been taken, so we don't need to rehash that again.
Then yeah, can you guys help me get my stuff? This is how they left me though, and I literally cannot. I haven't.
Where did your clothes go from wherever you were at to start with?
My rape kit at SARC, the SARC rape kit at Cadillac, where they discharged. Remember when they trespassed me? I have all the evidence. It's all in there. If you guys take me down to the police station, we can talk.
Well, I don't need to take you there because we can't have you hanging out there either.
Okay, then.
Because it's
I have
closed.
a packet of information.
Okay.
They just, their phone, they weren't letting me call out other than 911. They were trying to monitor all the calls.
Well, I don't think that's the case, but
Yeah,
does,
I know.
does that phone work?
Whatever they're saying is accurate, then.
Is it like I have to dial 9 to get out, or?
Yeah, you just have to know.
Okay. Find a phone number. We'll give you a second to try to figure that out. And then you can come over here and use this phone.
I don't have a motor scooter. I don't know where it's at. So my Dash Moto.
She says she has a number for a shelter from SARC from
Yeah, my
her stuff,
whole
so
SARC packet.
we'll let her try to make a phone call.
But yeah, I'll make phone calls from here.
Well, you don't have a lot of time to make phone calls,
Okay, well,
but you can make a phone call.
Okay, hold on.
And then if you can't find something after that, then we will help escort you off the property since they do not want you here.
Can we do that? Can we do that?
Do what?
Let's escort me off the property in the wheelchair so I can at least not be naked.
Well, you won't get.
Sorry. I forgot. I think I forgot to mention that. Alden has a bit of the sniffles. He had like a runny nose. I've already set up an appointment for him on Sunday, but he other than that, I mean, other than the sneezing and the runny nose, I mean, he's doing okay. He's eating, drinking. I mean, he's still a Churu demon. That's for sure.
You get to keep the wheelchair because it belongs to the hospital.
So do you guys have like an ambulance you can take me to?
Nope. You.
An ambulance is not your. It's not your cab service.
You would be able to walk yourself.
Oh, okay. Well, I can't.
Yes, you can. I've seen you do it multiple times.
I need medical attention.
No, you don't.
I need to talk to you guys.
Well, you're no longer welcome here, so
Okay.
you need to figure it out.
I just wanted to make sure I have Wallace and Ramos here with me. Hi, I'm at Trio Southridge Hospital. You have Wallison and Ramos here with me. I need to get arrested at this point because I have a lot to tell you about them.
She wants to get the officers arrested? You have got to be kidding me. This woman just plays people. And she's not very good at it.
This is Jalen. Jaelyn.
There's a trespass paper.
NIGRCH. Oh, they're hanging up.
All right, let's go.
No, honey, they're right here. Do you want to talk to them? Do you want?
they don't
yeah,
want to talk
here.
to you.
They don't want to talk. They gave me a ticket though, criminal warning. It says. Oh, they're disconnecting the phone. Oh.
All right, you're good. Let's go.
That's your trespass
No, I'm
warning.
not
Your
going-
trespass
no,
from
I'm not
Trios
going
for
anywhere
99
with you.
years.
No, you're not going anywhere with us. You're leaving
No.
the property.
You're leaving the
Let's go.
property.
I'm not leaving. Hey, witnesses. I need a witness.
It's all on camera. You don't have
Everything
No,
on
it's
body
not.
camera.
You
Yes,
guys
it
know
is.
what the f you did. So if I rip this up, it's
That's fine. You've been
99
advised.
years?
Yes, 99 years. If you come back to the
I wanna
property,
get
you'll be.
Damn. 99 years. I mean, I've actually never heard of that. Usually it's forever or a year. 99 years.
I want to get arrested, so I'm gonna rip it up.
You can rip it up all you want. That's not going to change the fact that we gave it to you and you know your trespass. So
99 years.
I think it's the flight. The flight trip over here probably.
Rip it up. This is all my evidence.
Yep.
Everyone.
Make sure you grab all your stuff.
No, hey, you guys, please. They're going to kill me.
Grab all your stuff.
It's okay, the FBI's watching. But they saw what you just did. All the shit you did is with my belongings. You know where it's at? You don't know, huh? So actually, I need to call my dad now.
He doesn't. He's not interested. You've already burned the bridge, so he's not going to come
I'm
help
gonna
you.
call my dad, actually.
You can call from your phone.
Yeah,
your
give me
own.
the phone.
No, you don't get this phone. You're
Give me the-
trespassed
no,
now.
I'm not.
Yes.
I can call.
No, I'm gonna say something really mean. Cops should just tell it, get up and get it if you can. Sorry.
Yep. Let's go.
No,
Let's
you
go.
have to arrest me here. I need.
No, we don't have to arrest you
Hey,
here.
I'm not leaving. I'm naked.
You're covered. You have all kinds of
Please don't
clothing.
let this happen, dude. Hey, no, this is my evidence.
Yeah,
Get the f
going
out
on
now.
with you. Let's go.
Get the f out now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get the f out now.
Let's go.
Okay, I need the.
That way.
This is why I came to Trios. This is
That
I
way.
knew you guys would do this.
That way.
They don't want to help you.
Can you believe her? She's incredible. She is playing that she's got paranoia that about the FBI. And this is where the video starts to get really, really good. So, get your popcorn because it's about to get insane. Seriously.
You've burnt the bridge, unfortunately.
If you think Trios, please, I'm sorry. This is why I was trying to talk to you privately. Please don't let them do this. You guys know what you're doing, and I'm literally naked.
We're
I'm not getting
trespassing
out of
you
the
from
wheelchair.
private property that they don't want you here.
Give me those.
Yep, we'll give them to you.
Yep, trespass me.
We'd already done that.
Make sure I'm naked on it.
Ripped your paper, you ripped your paperwork up. That was your formal trespass notice.
Why did you guys just tell me what the fuck is going on?
We did tell you.
Dude, I need to go to the police. Are you taking me to jail?
No.
I can't walk.
You can walk.
I can't.
You
I'm
can't.
going to sit here. So wherever you leave
Well,
me.
we will help remove you from the chair, and then you can decide if you
Take
want to
me
sit
to
on the
jail.
sit on the sidewalk or
Take
not.
me
We're
to
not
jail.
taking you to jail.
I'm going to jail. I just ripped up your 99 years.
That doesn't matter. You don't have to keep
Hey.
that.
So basically, lady, I guess if you want to go to jail, all you gotta do is take a swing at one of the cops, and there you go. You want that felony
paperwork?
Wherever you take me.
Sure.
Help!
Oh God.
Help! Ramos knows what he did. KPD, hands up, don't shoot. I'm naked and they fucking raped me. Trio South were just trying to save me. The FBI is watching. So yeah, do what you're gonna do. Destroy the evidence. Destroy the evidence. Ramos! Ramos!
Oh wow, really?
Ramos!
Damien, that's sad.
KPD! KPD! All those police watching me! Where are you guys taking me?
Taking you off their property.
Oh! All of a sudden I can walk
Perfect.
again.
Now you can walk. Go that way.
Wow.
Go that way.
Arrest me.
Go that way. No.
Arrest me.
No.
Well, looky there. She can walk after all. It's a miracle. It's not. She's just faking everything. She walks fine, but she always wants wheelchairs or scooters. It's ridiculous. And I guarantee you, she's going to try to get herself arrested because she's got nowhere to go.
Walk that way.
I gotta go to the hospital.
Nope. Walk that way.
911.
Walk that way.
911.
Walk. Walk.
911.
Walk.
911.
Walk.
I'll fucking kill you guys.
Walk.
I'll fucking kill you guys.
Walk.
Well, there. Well, all right. She took my advice, I guess.
Oh. Yeah, because I want to. Because I want to.
You need to get
Come
off
on.
the property.
You know what you're trying to do. I don't know, dude. So does Jacob ours. Jacob ours.
Sure.
All of the
Probably gonna need 3 handcuffs.
14 file. Hell yeah, take him to jail. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
What'd I say? 3?
Hell yeah. Let's get in the car. Help me. 911. They're raping me. They're trying to rape me, sir.
That is the last thing that we will ever do.
I have my information in my hand.
Can't 600.
You got a 6950. Take me to jail. Hey,
She
please
just
call
assaulted
911.
police. She is now in custody. Also,
Oh. Ready to go?
an ambulance coming in.
Ready to
Oh,
go?
she'll fit. Oh, she'll fit just
Yeah.
fine.
Yep, I'm a big fat bitch. Big fat
That's it.
bitch.
She's just in custody.
Yep. A big fat
I'm gonna drive the car.
with the droid and everything, remember? With the droid and everything. I just couldn't admit. 911! 911! Call in 911! Are you trying to rape me now? Or kill me?
Nope, I'm covering you up because
Because your dash cam didn't just get all that? Because your body cam didn't just get all that? Because this wasn't the fucking goal the whole time? To bring you all fucking down? Remember I could walk. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just assaulted an officer though. You called it in, remember? You
Yep,
called it in, remember?
Yeah.
Yep, I saw it happen.
Yep, you sure did. If you weren't a part of it, Ramos is. I'm not getting in the car with y'all. Help! KPD Ramos is trying to kill me! I have it recorded with the KPD!
All right, get in the car.
No! I can't! Oh my god! Mental health! Mental health! Help me! Help!
Oh, this is okay. Now, at first, I'm thinking to myself, this is sad. Now it's starting to piss me off because the more and more I'm watching this, like it's like a peaks and valleys where it's like, first, it's like she's like grifting. It's like, this is an obvious bullshit. This is a personality issue, not a mental health issue. Then as the video goes on, I'm starting to think, okay, this might actually be a mental health issue. And then now with her mental health, now I'm going right back to this is a personality issue and she's a narcissist.
You guys are the FBI watching, right?
Get in the car.
Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa!
Go ahead and stand up.
And a
I
grip,
can't.
probably.
You can.
I can't.
You just stood up out of the chair
I
just fine
can't.
by yourself. Stand up.
I can't after all that.
Stand up.
Hold on. Hold on.
This bitch can't even. breed. Hold on. Hold on. I don't think that's what's gonna happen.
Hands up, don't shoot!
Oh my
I'm
God.
disabled!
Stand up.
I assaulted an officer. Please take me to jail.
We're trying to take you to jail. Why don't you get in the car? We can take you.
I need a female
Hey, white
officer,
hat.
Officer Marshall.
Yeah, she's not working today.
Yeah. Well, I can't get up like this with my hands in cuffs.
Okay, so how can we assist you to get
Take
up?
the cuffs off.
No.
Okay, well then I can't get up.
Yeah, you can.
I literally can't.
Sure you can.
I literally can't.
Put your leg underneath you. We'll
And
help
then
you stand up.
Satan burned them all to the ground. And Ramos went to prison where he got ass raped for the rest of his life. And his whole family died because I set this all up. I gotta lay down. I'm disabled as
Woodwork, I don't know if any of these officers are forklift certified, though.
Hey, dude, you're literally hurting me.
Okay, well stand up.
Live streamed.
Okay. Stand up for me.
I can't.
And then we can help you get in
Let
the
me
car.
roll over.
Okay, how do you want to do that?
Let me roll over.
Okay.
Take
How are you going to do that? Well, that won't happen.
Well,
but
I can't.
how would you like us to help you to stand
I
up?
can't. Wait till the other officers pull up.
Well, there's no other
Yeah, they
officers
are. I
coming.
dispatched 988. They're on the way.
Yeah, they're not. So
No,
how
they
can we
are.
assist you in getting up?
Remember, I can't use the phone. I'm cuckoo.
How can we assist you in getting up?
You can't.
Nurse is gonna help us out.
Can someone call an ambulance?
You may need the firefighters to come out to take care of you.
We're checking to see if that's an avenue.
Hey, Trios Health, I actually need your help. That's why I came here. I didn't want it on a recorded line because I knew what you were doing. Remember the other night? Remember how it's already on the news?
Sure, it's all on body worn camera.
Yep, sure is. These Aunt they mama. Burn in fucking hell, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck police.
Okay.
The Richmond police. The Pasco police. Y'all gonna keep me right here naked and all.
Well, if you stood up, we could help you get in the car.
I can't stand up.
So tell me how we can assist you to stand up.
Ask the FBI when they show up on you.
Well, the FBI won't be here.
You're so right.
So how can we assist you to
I don't
stand
know.
up?
I guess we need an ambulance.
Okay.
I gotta get 50 on 50.
Oh, for the love of God.
Wait, is this actually in Florida?
Please don't let her be in Florida. Other states must have to use 5150 for crazy people, right?
No, no, 5150 is California. Baker Act is Florida. 5150 is California.
Not be Florida.
And how are you going to stand up when the ambulance gets you? Still got to stand up off the ground.
Bring him here. Bring him. Oh, how about call Jerome Davis? How about here? I'll give you my phone number. 564. Tell him, Ramos. Did your kids already die? Or were you in a car accident tonight?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, well, just keep me here until the other police show up. They're watching everything you're doing. And the hospital was scared shitless because they literally were trying to help. But you saw me rip it up just like I did the other night when I told you to suck the You know what they do to crisis?
Okay.
Yeah, I need help. Probably going to Walla Walla State Penitentiary. Are real officers here now?
Nope, doctor.
Oh my God, I'm not doing well at all, doctor. These people are trying to hurt me. I was trying to seek refuge here, love. I'm having a mental health crisis.
Okay.
Yeah, I need help immediately. All the
Okay.
evidence they just tried to destroy.
Okay. She's
Yeah.
medically cleared. I'll get her ready. Thank you, Doc. Okay.
So am I.
What the hell was that? That was so great.
Under arrest, Doc?
Like a boss.
I am?
Nah, she's good.
Okay. That's good. Take me to jail.
We'll get you there.
There we go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. The real heroes. I was watching y'all the whole time. Yeah, go run. Try and tell him, Ramos. Try and tell him the footage doesn't exist. Try and tell him. Try and tell him. Hurry up.
I'm hungry.
Okay, in all seriousness, I'm going to try to get through this without laughing. What normal person acts like this? She's faking it all, but just because she don't have a place to go tonight, her family kicked her out of her house. She's nuts, though, but not truly nuts, you know? Like, she plays a nut. It's crazy. Her social media is insane. And I'm going to do another video about it because you guys got to just see it all. The story that leads up to this is unbelievable.
Maybe I should just do this. Like anytime I talk like this, I should get like a trigger to have it so that it'll switch the scene in OBS to like B-roll footage of Alduin and Serana. Maybe that'll get me more clicks.
Unbelievable.
Hey, so unfortunately, our legal charter doesn't allow us.
Yep.
Hands up, don't shoot, hands up. You can be disabled and fat, no can take you down. I got my SARC in my hand though, man. Thank God that I made those calls, man. Thank God. The hospitals will kill you, the police will kill you, and everyone will try to kill you.
I guess that explains why she's been trespassed from all these hospitals.
Everyone will try to kill you. I think you're crazy.
Is this one of those lifting?
Remember when when I'm naked and they try to cover it up after you guys already saw it all? Yeah. It's funny how that happens. But I'm God, right? So let me put in a little prayer for God. I have the rights to return. Where are my rights at? Where are my rights at, motherfuckers?
You have the right to be quiet and right to counsel.
I'm not gonna be quiet because I know you turn your shit on and off. You piggy pig pig! Oink oink oink, motherfucker! I'm not getting up. Run me over. Here we go. Run me over. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, oh, oh. Run off like the pussy ass bitch you are. You're gonna fucking rot in prison, motherfucker. Where's my attorney?
Glenn, thank you for the 37 months. Appreciate it, man. How you doing?
Am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
Where's my rights being read?
You're not being questioned about the crime right now, so we don't need to read
Read
your
me my
rights.
motherfucking rights. Remember, I'm a disabled woman, and you're pretending right now. So read me my fucking rights. I ask the Lord for the strength to get up and for the FBI to swoop in because I'm too scared now. Oh God, okay. In the name of Jesus Christ. Oh, I can't fucking do it. Oh
my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you loosen the cuffs?
That's as loose as they're gonna get.
But I'm fat, so I can't move at all to get up. Like you're asking me to.
I didn't ask you to do anything.
Oh, you didn't ask me to do anything when your cam was off?
My cam's been on the entire time.
Yeah, sure has.
We have a like a lift thing from the fire guys that's soft. So we'll basically we'll roll her on her stomach so she can't kind of sit up and kick, and then we'll just put her back here, and then I'll have somebody ride back here with her. Perfect. While you get her, and the jail's already prepped. They know she's coming. They know all the sitch and all that stuff. So
I'll stand by whenever you're ready to back up.
yeah, just come back just a little bit.
Okay. Tell me when.
Yeah.
But I'll talk to
Just another nut. Did I hear Artie named his cat after a game? Yeah. Maik is the name of an NPC who's not only in Skyrim but in all the other Elder Scrolls games. Serana is the name of a vampire that half of the Skyrim community is thirsty for. She's from one of the DLCs in Skyrim. And Alduin is the name of the black dragon that is the primary antagonist in the main storyline of Skyrim. So, yeah.
That's probably good.
I'll talk to EMS. I have the right to an attorney, right?
Yes, you do.
Can you read me my Miranda rights?
Yeah, no worries. Face up there. Perfect.
So we're gonna do it twice. Once on her back, and then she'll be face down on this.
Oh, damn, this is gonna be good. They have to roll her onto that thing. Oh, I can't wait to
I mean, yeah.
see this.
I need to go to Trio's house. You know what that
So
is?
get her on her back, and then we'll kind of
You
make
know
sure we
what
have it set where we need to.
Okay.
All right, perfect. One more time.
I can't.
Bring that.
In God I say, in God we trust, and they cannot move me at all. And they cannot move me at all because I am 550 pounds and I am a disabled woman. I am a disabled woman. And they're trying to kill me. Trio's house has it all on camera. So does the FBI.
Yeah, we need to steer more towards the.
I'm having a mental health crisis.
Have more people on.
Aren't I having a mental health crisis?
Perfect. All right.
If you want to focus on just that front one, I'll do these two.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I can't breathe. I can't. Hey, I can't breathe. Hey!
Oh my God.
I can't fucking breathe. I'm not. What the fuck?
Oh my God.
What the fuck? Jalen changing. Jalen IGR changing 866. Call 5653. 3. Oh, thank God. We're going to the jail now, right? Are we gonna read my rights?
Who's riding?
I can stand in
Who's
front.
reading my rights?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned.
Oh my God, Tones
If you cannot
just
afford
mad.
to hire a lawyer, one will
Tones
be
has had
appointed to
enough.
represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise your rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
In the name of God, yes,
Having
I
these
do.
rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me now?
In the name of God, I'll ask for an attorney.
All right.
All right. All we need to hear.
Let's get the formalities out of the way.
Well, I already told her she had the right to.
Damn, we didn't get to see her go up on that rolly thing. They cut that part out. Damn it.
Take us to the Bannon County Jail. They're meeting us there. That's why everything just happened, you fucking idiots. Bro, y'all are really, really weird.
It looks like you're
Yeah, I'm super uncomfortable.
Look at that.
Why is
thing.
there a
She's
shopping
right.
cart?
It looks like a shopping cart. It even has the thing at the top for you to push it out where you put your stuff. Oh, that's hilarious.
Can you swing your legs out?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm not in the car.
Oh my God.
In the end, Jalen was charged with 2 counts of criminal trespass, misuse of the 911 system, interfering with a healthcare facility, resisting arrest, obstructing law enforcement officers, and assault. She was later deemed mentally incompetent.
You've got to be.
I was gonna say it is a shopping cart. Like it. Anyway, I don't know what to think about this. She's in it could be a toss up as to whether or not this is her personality or whether this is like a mental health thing. I could see arguments for both, or either or. Suffice to say, I mean, I don't think the cops did anything objectionable. Obviously, they were not doing anything like trying to kill her or trying to assault her. I think this is more, yeah. Insufferable is a very accurate term. I would agree. Anyhow, I'm starving. I think I might go to the Japanese place tonight. And then play some Battlefield. But I appreciate you guys coming in. I don't want to disturb the babies. They're behind me in the couch napping. And I will see you guys next time. I might actually stream tomorrow or Sunday, but we'll see what happens. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. I need food. All right. Take care of yourself. Have a good one. Adios. Good night. Bye. Serrana. Come here. Serrana. Girl.